Hayi siqale
Ngithanda legama
and ungayi-edithi lapho. Sivele sithi Pirates Ribaboni, Ribabo, Pirates Ribabo, barishebile mahlo. Abana lilihlong. Abana lilihlong. Angazi isuthu sithi sithini. Kodwa ithi mangise ngi-translator ke uyazi ukuthi ingoma nengoma inaleyo translation ukuthi nje inechaza kwakhona ukuthi sibabonile bazi bazama ukora labo 7 babo bathi nje abanawo amahloni abazi ukuthi in as much as bayenza kaso nathi bayasinceda on our side ukuthi sifake le pressure le even if na during the week bazokora ama-5 or ama-10 or amanjani selinga 2 games. Leo 15 le mama ngayikora Saturday scored 7 kulela langa ngange-23 siyaphinde sakora. Anyways, big ups to abafana abasebenzile kakhulu ne kubhlungu ukuthi I was one of those laba makungabe sidrowile or sithi ungizwa sengithi gantshintshi vum 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 gone kanje manje ibhekiswe ku Mamelodi Sundowns asikisini because of le eyethu makube nathi siyazimisela makuba abafana bethu bayayifuna ngalendlela thina nathi ama supporters sifuna ngakhona and nibonile i3-0 yanamhlanje ile 3-0 ebesi no actually le 3 ile ebesibuliswe ngayo iMagesi. I wish ukuthi nihambe bafethu. I wish ile goodbye i3 le nasinika yona i3-2 nisibulisa ku Carling Black Label last season ne was it last season yes manje njengoba ke sokule season ya manje esizothatha ileague yethu njengoba abafana bese baku DDC basinikeza starters guys asivele sidleni le main course siqedele ne dessert eyethu guys focusani sekusele kancane do it for i-badge do it for ama fans ethu nazi ukuthi maniphuma kuleya change room ithi fight for the badge and play for your fans so just do that keep on doing that whenever you enter or you come out of that tunnel fight for the badge play for your fans it must ring la kakhulu and the rest kuzobe kuyi-history ngiyabonga.
Thanks Mthozozo.